The Transportation Options Program really grew out of an emerging awareness of some of the ways that the systems were working and not working and how it was affecting the populations across the Twin Cities. So at Transit for Livable Communities, we really think at a systems level. How is the bus system? How is it funded? How is bicycling and walking supporting all kinds of trips? How can we increase the infrastructure to improve the safety and access through transportation options? So we think at the systems level, but we also want to understand what's happening at the people level, at the person-by-person level. How are people able to get around? So this was really a great way to integrate the systems thinking and the human side of transportation, of getting around. We know, too, that people face a lot of barriers, and they're real. There's no way that we know that we can address all those barriers. So it's again, about the options. It's about kind of opening people's minds to some new information, some new ways of thinking or approaching their day-to-day situations. People have tried some new things. One of the people we talked to has already gone into the Earn a Bike program, and so she'll be biking this summer for transportation. Some of the folks have biked or walked for recreation, but one woman we talked to either buses or gets dropped off to work in the morning and then walks home for 45 minutes. So some people are already incorporating it into their daily life, and a lot of people talk to us about health. They get that health is really a benefit of some of these other modes. One of the occasions that we had to talk with some of the neighborhood house participants, I was asking them what their family, what their friends would say if they were to show up on a bicycle instead of how they might normally get around, which for a lot of people is by car. And one of the women said, "My kids would be thrilled." The more that we can make that, make the choices valid for people, to make the choices real in their lives, at a system level, at a support level, at a day-to-day sort of societal, cultural level, then more communities will really thrive, and transportation will be providing the access and mobility that all communities and all families deserve.